Hello, this is Michael Sharon from Mr.Mosh's class, teaching on 2.5 polynomial inequalities and rational inequalities. Okay, so we have an equation here. This is a polynomial inequality. Now I'm going to teach you how to do it step by step. Hopefully this is understandable. If not, I'm very sorry. Alright, step 1. What you really need to do first thing is just change the less than or greater than sign to an actual equal sign to make it an equation. After there's, you can do it either by grouping or factoring. Okay? What I did here, I did it by grouping. So what I did, I took two sets and tried to find the common multiple between them. The common multiple is x plus 7. And distributed out of these factors is x squared and negative 1. Now, what you do then is you put them together and you have x plus 7 on the side. You're not done there, you need to simplify this even more. They'll give you 1, positive 1, and then negative 1, and then positive 7. In turns is 1, negative 1, and negative 7. Okay? And then you graph them on the borderline to put them in their set place. Afterwards, you do this with each and every one. For example, I put negative 7 first. I have negative 7 cubed plus 7 times negative 7 squared. Subtract by negative 7, subtract by 7. Okay? 7 cubed is 343 negative, and then 49 times 7 is 343 again. Those cancel out, and then these cancel out, and that becomes negative 7 minus 7, and that equals 0. And that does satisfy your equation, because 0 equals 0, nonetheless. Alright, now rational inequalities. What we have here is x over x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. So the first thing I did, I subtract both sides by negative 2. So that will give you this one right here when you subtract this. And negative 2, subtract this, will in turn turn into this for common denominators. Okay? So distributed 2x plus 4 over x plus 2. Let's combine these together. This will equal x minus 2x minus 4 over x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Simplify it even more, that equals to negative x minus 4 over x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Now, there's two ways of doing this. There is positive and negative. What I mean by positive or negative, I mean x is less than, which means it's negative, 0, or x is greater than. So, to be negative, you had to be less than 0. To be positive, you had to be greater than 0. Okay? So, for sake of confusion, let's do the the positive first. So we have negative x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Equals to negative 4, or we can switch it around since it's divided by negative, equals x is less than or equal to negative 4. Now for 2 plus, or x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0, it turns into x is less than, or x is greater than 2, okay? Now how can an x be greater than 2 when it's less than negative 4? Okay? Now we look at this one. Negative x minus negative 4 is less than or equal to 0. And turns into x is greater than or equal to negative 4. Now we go to this one. X plus 2 is less than 0. That turns into x is less than negative 2. Now we can't have that because x is less than 2, but it's greater than negative 4, which means it could be negative 3 or anything between that. Okay? This has been my presentation. I hope you learned something from this. If not, I am very sorry, and I hope you have a good day.